Hello, I'm Maiva. Let's go and learn Nissens Turbo, an excellent aftermarket solution and part to boost your business. Hello, Christian. How the turbocharger market is in volume today?
The turbocharger market is already a very large market and it's growing significantly. There's a number of reasons to that. Most of the gasoline engines nowadays are made with downsized engines which require turbocharger. The diesel, since years, are massively equipped with turbochargers. So when we look at the car sales being in ICE or in hybrid nowadays, they mostly come out with turbochargers. The implication of that is that the park is continuously growing at accelerated pace. Our estimation is that in the past years, the market's been growing year on year by more than 10%. And our expectation as well is that it will remain the same for the coming 10 years, which will lead to a very massive market in volume.
Who is fulfilling the market and what does it mean for the independent aftermarket?
That's the key question. Who's going to win that market? And so far, what we observed was that the turbocharger market was essentially handled by the authorized network. Then the independent aftermarket started to take a share. To do that, the independent aftermarket has been supported by original parts solutions and as well as by remanufactured. Our observation at Nissens and our experience from engine cooling and air conditioning is that over time, when the market becomes very material, there's always a high interest for premium aftermarket parts. The Nissens program has been designed exactly to fulfill that needs, to bring to the aftermarket and to the distributors some premium aftermarket parts.
It is clear that there is a strong need for a reliable aftermarket alternative alongside reman solutions. Let's talk to the person responsible for the turbo development. At Nissens, Lerche is Efficiency and Emissions Category Manager. Lerche, please tell me, what makes Nissens turbocharger so unique?
We call it delivering the difference. Nissens turbocharger is an excellent choice for the aftermarket. Let me point in short what makes Nissens turbo so special. Competitive range and high courage, superior high availability, factory new, easy handling and no reverse logistics. High reliability and performance. Developed, engineered and tested according to genuine Nissens quality standard. And in addition, we provide our customers with full technical support.
Okay, now I can really see that's the real difference. It's much more than just a product, it's a smarter choice for the aftermarket. Let's try to understand why Nissens Turbo offering is universally attractive for all aftermarket players. Birger, you as the Turbo Business Manager can elaborate on that, right?
Yes, we have designed our Turbo program to all market needs in all levels. We have developed a Turbo range with attention on every details. It's everything from high performance to a Turbo you can trust on. We, as Nissens, offering a complete package that is designed to be a great business solutions for our distributors. And it's a need to have and nice to have, and this is both. We have turbos for all vehicle segments, also truck turbos. We cover all technologies. It's VNT turbos, variable turbos, wastegate turbos, double turbos, and turbos with electronic parts that control the turbo. Our huge range with over 450 part numbers cover most of the field and more to come. Our turbos have the perfect fit and design, and everything what's needed are in the box. Turbo, gaskets, guide, studs if needed, and a QR code on the box for data and bulletins. This is a complete Nissens solutions, EGR valves, throttle bodies, intercoolers, piping and more. So yeah, it's a full package you have.
Nissens Turbo program is a complete high-performance solution. It is reliable, easy to install, and designed to drive business forward. With Sarah, the Nissens quality engineer, I'm going to check what it means Nissens Turbo is of genuine Nissens quality.
So it means that we have designed, manufactured and tested the turbo to ensure optimal performance and long trouble-free operation. So in our turbos, we develop and design the many inner parts where we specially engineer them to make sure that we enhance performance. After that, we make sure that all the tolerances are correct when we assemble the turbo. In the end, we do the full calibration to make sure that it runs smoothly. After that, we can send it to to some extensive tests, for example here in the Nissens test lab, and we can do some external tests as well. In the end, we do what we call a field test, where we mount the turbo in a real-life vehicle to make sure that it runs without no problems.
By choosing Nissens Turbo, you can expect high-quality, trouble-free, long-life turbocharging of your engine. I can only imagine that the turbo is an advanced component. So how does Nissens support product installation and learning? Let's talk with Stefan, Senior Director for Product Management and Category.
Nissens shares our best service practice and technical support to give the mechanics even more confidence when replacing a turbo. This reduces the risk of any faulty installations. So Nissens has a very comprehensive training program, which accounts both technical trainings in turbos, a lot of technical support materials, as well as hotlines available in local languages. This makes Nissens the perfect partner when it comes to turbos.
Christian, how is Nissens turbocharger program supporting the independent aftermarket distributor success?
Well, the key for success in an aftermarket program lies essentially on 4 pillars, which are high-quality products, services and education, high park coverage, and high availability. These are the 4 things that we're known for at Nissens, and we strive to deliver that consistently. Our program has now been existing for 7 years, and since 2 years it reached absolute maturity in park coverage. So today our program is already present at over 150 first-rank distributors in Europe, and that's growing day by day. So we really believe that we are at the perfect momentum to catch the main part of the market.
That's really interesting. Now let's hear what the garages who have already used Nissens Turbo as a replacement in their customers' cars have to say.
Mycket bra produkt utav Nissens. Allting passade fint och instruktionerna som fanns både i videoform och pappersform var mycket bra och hjälpte till i installationen. Bra kvalitet på dem också. Och det behöver faktiskt inte bli dyrt att byta turbo på en bil.
La formación de Nissens ha sido un cambio radical para el taller. Nissens me ha proporcionado guías de instalación, vídeos, incluso formaciones para poder montar sus turbos. Gracias a su apoyo hemos podido cambiar cualquier turbo o podemos cambiar cualquier turbo con total confianza.
Razem w pudełku z turbiną otrzymałem zestaw uszczelek, śruby. Instalacja przebiegnie sprawnie i pewnie, a ja zaoszczędzę czas i pieniądze. Turbiny Nissens to doskonała alternatywa dla części oryginalnych. Polecam.
Я дійсно вражений якістю пакування турбокомпресорів Nissens. Окрім оптимально підібраної коробки, Nissens попіклувався ще й про захист всередині, додавши спеціальні вставки. Та яка якісна коробка знижує ризик пошкодження турбокомпресора, що є досить важкою та крихкою деталлю. Так що все це гарантує безпечну та якісну доставку.
The development of a high quality and competitive turbo range has been one of the biggest challenges for Nissens. When we set out, we had the task of developing a range of products that would solve the pains of our customers relating to turbo installations. After 7 years, we have seen the great results, and we believe that we truly delivered the difference. We would therefore like to thank you a lot for your support and trust in Nissens also in this product line. And please remember to continue to boost your business with Nissens turbos.
That concludes our presentation on Nissens turbochargers, engineered for performance and built for reliability.